Hello, and welcome to Baking with Broadcasting. Okay, today we're making lemon poppy seed big beautiful muffins. They're going to be delicious, hopefully.
Guys, we forgot the eggs.
No, we didn't. Okay, first we need 3 cups of flour. It's going to be floury and stuff. Count with me, guys. That's 1. That's almost a 2. And that makes 3. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Next is the baking powder. That one. You need a whole tablespoon. So we're gonna crank this up to tablespoon. Wow, that's a lot of powder. And then we need baking soda. Baking soda, but we only need half a teaspoon. Now, most people confuse tablespoons and teaspoons, but remember, when you use a tablespoon, it's big because it has table in it, which is much larger than a tea. So table beats tea. 1/2 teaspoons. Now that we have all our dry ingredients, we're gonna put this whisk in there and hand it off to the assistant, Megan, to do her magic. Next we have low-fat yogurt, straight from the package, and eggs, straight from the chicken. We're going to need 1.5 cups of low-fat plain yogurt. I will hand it off to my other assistant, Ashley. She's a master mixer. Now we will pour this into the mixture. Now this may look disgusting, and it may look disgusting in your stomach, but your taste buds will say, thank you. Thank you for that wonderful delight that you've just fed me. Man, it's really sticky. We need 3 tablespoons of poppy seed. Since we don't have any cooking spray, we can do butter. And now we get to take our, the paintbrush, it's not a paintbrush, it's actually a cooking butter brush. So now we take our ice cream scoop filled with batter,